Sir, sir, it's not audible.
Voice is not audible.
So your infinite series is positive term series, and positive term series means every terms will be positive. Okay. So here greater than 0 only I am writing. If any equal to 0 means that terms is missing terms only. So greater than 0 is enough, positive. So infinite series is positive term series. Then whatever Sn sequence of partial sum of series will happen, that is always greater than equal to 0 also can write here, because this is after addition new sequence, that is maybe any natural number putting 0 also possibility. So here I am writing greater than equal to 0. Then I checked for Sn plus 1 minus Sn. Then I got one terms An plus 1. The terms will be positive only because this is a positive term series. So greater than 0. So Sn plus 1 minus Sn is greater than 0. So our given sequence of partial sum of series is monotonic increasing sequence. Okay. And greater than 0 have, so strictly also possibility. You can write in bracket strictly also, right? No problem. We'll see depend on sequence. So you can see if our given infinite series is a positive term series, then our sequence of partial sum of series Sn always monotonic increasing sequence. Okay. So from why I am writing this definition, we will get some help from monotonic increasing sequence. We saw in sequence chapter, monotonic sequence never oscillate, either increasing and decreasing, in bounded above convergent, decreasing bounded below convergent, converges to supremum, converges to infimum. So we can tell that positive term series, because infinite series and sequence Sn, their behaviors are same, and Sn is a monotonically increasing sequence. So infinite series, positive term series also never, already infinite series oscillate already not possible, divergent convergent only. So we can tell that positive term series either convergent and converges to supremum value of Sn, or divergent, diverges to plus infinity. Below not possible, because Sn is a monotonically increasing, not a decreasing. If decreasing means possibility for bounded below also, but this is increasing only. So every positive term series either convergent or divergent. If convergent, then converges to supremum value of Sn, and if divergent, then diverges to plus infinity. No negative and all. Okay, but same negative term series is same only. You can go just opposite. No negative term series like that. Just minus common we will take. Every concepts will put it. Okay, so for that especially no need to write. So we will write that positive term series Mobile silent to everybody.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, actually, you're saying that SN is equal to A1 plus A2 plus and so on to AN is greater than or equal to 0 is also possible, you're saying.
yeah,
No,
there
sir.
possibility have, because
You
that
said
is addition. No,
addition, no, but we have taken all the values are only greater than 0, no, sir.
after addition, which type of sequence will come? How I can tell now? That is any natural number zero also possibility. Positive means positive will happen. Only addition positive will come. Can't tell now. Suppose
Okay, sequence we have taken. Okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay.
suppose summation n minus 1 if you will use, what will happen? N minus 1 n by 2 till n minus 1th term addition. This
Okay,
is the
sir.
sequence. So here n equal to 1 0 will give no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No,
So after addition we can't tell both possibility. Any natural number 0 also will give.
okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Same you can write positive term series divergent means sequence unbounded above. This finished everybody? Same right for divergent. Any positive term series is divergent if and only if sequence Sn must be unbounded above and diverges to plus infinity. Hereafter some test and all I am writing, comparison test and all related question we will see. More test have, all test I will write, related question you have to practice. I can't do anything. Here, sit here, come. There, two chair have. And next time, late coming, complete, don't come. Before 10:30, can't reach, don't come. This is last chance. Otherwise, online join. Any day emergency means okay. Per day, I'm seeing you are late coming. Any day, 11 o'clock, any day, 11:30. Next time, late will happen. Really, I won't allow. Full class. So either late coming, if you are feeling late will go, then don't come. That online join from your home. These tests are very important. Exam direct coming, which of the following true false, this they will give. And we have to use also. This side finished, no? Right soon.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, is it D'Alembert's ratio test?
yes, or ratio test. Ratio test. Here especially I am writing for 0. Because when you will find an plus 1 by n, l equal to 0 will come, it will count less than 1. So convergent. But especially also I am writing because of some, you can do opposite also, an by an plus 1. Then when in this case L equal to 0 will come, then you will opposite you will solve, then L equal to infinity will come. So in that case convergent telling, but you will confuse for infinity. So I am writing both. Infinity also coming means that is convergent in this case, not every cases. Okay. Right, first must every test are these all are very important. Question always coming. Next another one test I will write Cauchy condensation test. That test also very important. That this side complete, no? Very important, this all test, very, very important. More tests are there, but everything I'm not giving. Whatever I'm important, that and I give. Hereafter questions and all I will give. That and all you have to test who is which type of convergence you have to check. Finished? So very important test, huh? In your exam hall, they will give each of the following are convergent or divergent, like that. 4 options they will give. Or any subjective exam for fill in the blanks, net question and all for IIT JAM, GATE exam. Then first, when question you are seeing, you try to apply that yesterday one theorem I gave, limit not equal to 0 means direct divergent we can tell. That is the first method for verification. Second method, if suppose that is fail going, equal to 0 going, then you try to find by ratio test, D'Alembert ratio test. If you will see any power n, Cauchy root test also you can apply. In your given sequence, power n type any question given have, then Cauchy root test direct apply. N will cancel. This and all, any test, any place you can apply. But how to think direct? Sometime direct answer will come. But anytime Cauchy root test fail, then D'Alembert ratio test have to apply. This fail, then Rabi's test, logarithmic test, like that you have to verify only. No other way. In your master degree BSc, I don't know you did or not, but more question you will see every test are fail going continue. Then you have to verify like that. Rabi's test. After that have D'Alembert Rabi's test. More tests are there. Burton test. More tests are there. But in CSIR life, whatever last 20 years question paper I am seeing, or we also wrote more number of exam, then I'm seeing always they are asking related this test only. Still they are not asking Burton test, KUMAR test, or D'Alembert Burton test, D'Alembert Rabi's test. More tests are there. So that and all they are not asking. But Rabi's test question I saw, logarithmic test question I saw, comparison test must question. This and all very rare I saw logarithmic also. Maybe one time I saw logarithmic test question, one time I saw Rabi's test question. You can neglect these 2 tests also, no problem. But comparison test is very important. Cauchy condensation test is very important. Always I saw question from here. Mostly, if you're in infinite series logarithmic form given have, then you can apply Cauchy condensation test. Very soon answer giving this, very soon. Sometime 1 line, 2 line answer you can get. Okay, so think how to apply. Unnecessary test also don't apply. Okay, anything you think and apply. We have no time on exam hall. So you see any question paper and you see that maybe by comparison test answer will come. Or maybe that yesterday that theorem, contradiction, by that answer will come. Or ratio test also question always coming. Ratio test, otherwise Cauchy condensation test, this and all, truly always question coming this and all. P series, auxiliary test question will come. Okay, this and all very common. These 2 don't neglect when I'm giving, but if you are neglecting also no problem. Still just one time question I saw. So important only. Again they will give me what we can do. So question I'm writing, little you think and try. Okay, yeah, my no work. I will give question here and more question also I can't give. You take your BSc MSc books or CSIR question paper, you practice more number of. How much you will practice? Because calculating portion this is. That much soon answer will come. So you have to practice your. So some question we will discuss. By that guideline, you can practice more number of questions. Any place, any topic, how much question I am giving, that you don't count. That sir gave only 1 question or 2 question. You think sir how many question gave? By that idea, how many questions I did? Always you think yourself. Don't have sir only 1 question gave, how to do. 100 question also I will do, no. And if you are not trying means waste. So you have to try, always think. My work, you know, in your result, 100% hard work have no. 100% work this is. In that my work is only 1%. Your work 99%. Full effort you have to give for your result. Otherwise, no. Now, which generation your preparation doing? No, before 10 or before 10 years means you go 2010 before or before 2012, 13. That time, no WhatsApp university, no Facebook university, YouTube universities are not available. No question banks, no solution. We also prepared. But now also everything available. Question bank, solution. In India, no CSIR solution book I published first. I only. Nobody is solution publishing. And I got more success by that book. More. All over India, everybody. Some book, that book, some order came from Sri Lanka and Sri Lanka, Pakistan. Pakistan also order came. That much good book I published. But in that book also some mistakes are there came. So solutions books not available. Then think how that time they prepared, or I prepared, or whatever that batch prepared. But result same type. Before 20 years or before 15 years also CSIR 300 to 400 result only giving out of lakh student. And now also after 10 years, 20 years also same only have. Don't think that more available have means your result more will come. Not like that. Very easy way you are getting solution. But your hard work, which your this will happen, then only you can qualify. You don't think that sir doing only one question, two question, how I will do next. You have to do. I can show only path, no other anything. You have to walk. I did 2 question, you do 200 question. 3,000 question minimum you have to practice. 3,000 questions. Then result possible. Otherwise, no. My notes are very, very important. If you are doing hard work. If you are not doing hard work, my notes is waste. Put in dustbin. No use. Okay. Because of who is following 99% their result confirm. So question, whatever I am telling like that practice, I am available keeping everything. Question in our library, question bank, question practice, more types of I'm question arranging, printing and keeping. You practice. Online students I can't provide. Yourself you download and practice more number of questions. Discuss together. Any problem coming, send me question. I will solve and I will give. But you have no interest, then I can't do anything. You have to use your interest. How much hard work I am doing. Whoever from our institute qualifying result, you ask with them what they did. Whole year they are question practice doing in this room. Oh, whole year with them I am only. Not only in class. Question discussion, doubt discussion, question solution. I think infinite number of question solution I am giving. Infinite number of. Uncountable I can't tell. Countable infinite I can tell. Question solving, no, my mind not working. That much question they are asking, sending me more questions. So not only in class I am guiding, after class also I am guiding. If you have interest, then you solve in your home. Solution not coming, then discuss with friends. Also not coming, then send me by WhatsApp, or here coming means ask with me. I will give solution. But you want to do, I can't do anything. Understanding? More hard work or more. Forget everything in life. Want IITs or CSIR means everything forget in life. You want enjoyment, you want marriage function, this function, that function, all India function you want to attend. After that you want to qualify CSIR, IIT, then don't expect. Don't expect. Leave it. Then your journey will fail must. Till result you have to sacrifice everything. You have to put your stone in your heart and have to forget everything. Mother, father also forget. Only from mother, father take food, energy, no other anything. That type sacrifice one. Otherwise, don't expect. You can't sacrifice, don't expect. So I will give questions. If you are feeling I am very dull student, I don't know solution how to find, then you go BSc, MSc book, you start from basic. Not coming, tell me, discuss together. The competitive exam, no, only by discussion your mind will open. How much your mind will open, that much soon you can qualify. And don't think any type of negative frustration. I am dull student, I can qualify or not. We are here last 7 years, here I am. And last 20 years, maybe I am teaching. Minimum 12, 13 years. In this lines, competitive line. Before that, BSc, MSc, 10 class, 11 class, 12 class, mathematics only teaching. So I am seeing in my life. If you are ready for hard work, donkey, donkey. More ready for hard work. Donkey also I can send IIT. So if you are ready for hard work, no, I can send IIT and all. If you are not ready for hard work, no, then you can't go IIT. So I am seeing very dull student, very dull, don't know anything. First time name also don't know about exam, but they are now in IIT. So you think I have to do hard work? Because I am seeing some students like that also coming there, no, will find from teacher only mistake. Sir, this type, sir, that type. Don't find. You think your mistake you find. I am how type. And which students are finding only no teacher mistake, they are still here only here. I can't do 1,000, 3,000 question. I can't practice. I practiced it already. For that, here I am standing. And not 3,000, maybe 10,000. And nowadays, maybe lakh question I practiced it with the students. Any question you ask with me, all our world, any mathematics book. My guarantee have 90% solution I will give. 10% I also can't give. But 90% guarantee have. I am telling you only 3,000. Enough. CSIR question bank last 20 years, 10 years or 20 years also, no, old maybe not have, at least from 10 or 11, 12 like that. Last 10 years question paper. CSIR question paper, IIT JAM, GATE, NBHM, TFR, this and all you will practice now, continue. Notes your strong have question practice to pass. Must you will pass every exam. And during your course, I am telling also interviews question. So interview also preparation I am giving. Must interview will ask that and all. So ready for hard work. This thing I am ready for hard work or not. First day also I told, not waiting for exam. I am ready for exam. That always think. Waiting for exam, you can't do anything. Ready for exam is you can do everything. So hard work very important. Can't do hard work, then you quit very soon. Otherwise, this competitive exam will damage your life. Competitive exam, I saw CSIR IITs, they who is supporting with hard work, no, their life changed. Life, not generation changed. And who is not supporting, no, their life damaged. So hard work, do more. At least I can tell you, or I am seeing always, I don't know result will come or not, everybody. But this I can give guarantee, you will get more knowledge from here. And that knowledge will stand you every places. This I have guarantee. I will give you. Knowledge I will give you must. And that knowledge will stand you every places. Not only by CSIR or IITs, every places. Some question I am giving practice and number of question collect from books. Everybody think and find solution. Think every test, which place have to apply, little try. After that, I will tell you. First, first only comparison test only have to apply. P series comparison test. Second, third, think which method from yesterday more method I gave. That theorem also have to apply. Last can apply Cauchy root test. Second last can apply D'Alembert ratio test. I told no power n half means you try Cauchy root test. E power 2 n half. So Cauchy root test apply. There what have logarithmic I told Cauchy condensation test. So that both log question, Cauchy condensation test apply. 1 plus x to the power n formula is today we'll tell tomorrow. 1 plus after the silent. I will wait till today or till tomorrow. Formula I asked properly tell. You will solve this series like that will come. And whenever like that series coming, no, you can apply P test direct, auxiliary test. Whatever 1 by n power P have, whatever common portion. If this P is greater than 1, convergent, less than equal to 1, divergent. Okay. Otherwise, because exam purpose I am telling, otherwise lengthy process extra have to go. This is the full sequence. We have to apply that comparison test second. First I am writing here direct whatever common portion will come. By that you can write 1 by n power p, p equal to 2 greater than 1. So this series is convergent. So given series is convergent. If subjective exam going, subjective also here itself you can do like that. Suppose you are thinking there's auxiliary test direct, how can apply? Because auxiliary test is summation 1 by n power p only. But here 1 by n power p multiplication have. So comparison test you have to go. Let this is the full series summation an. Pn we have to choose. Let Pn equal to whatever common portion will come, that Pn we have to choose. After that, limit n tends to infinity, an by Pn we have to solve. So this by this we will solve means limit we will apply means 1 by 3 will come, L value. So by comparison test, summation an and summation Pn are convergent or divergent together. So summation an only we are finding. So summation Pn what will happen? 1 by n square, and this is by p test convergent because 2 is greater than 1. So this is convergent. So summation an is convergent. So what I did, this direct I applied here. So direct do an example. Whatever common portion coming inside, whatever have no problem. Common portion whatever coming, p is greater than 1, convergent, less than equal to 1, divergent. This much don't do an example. Okay. What about second? Summation sine 1 by n given have. This is the positive term series. Sine have, don't think negative value also will come. Whatever sine 1 by 2, sine 1 by 3, all are positive values. Okay. How you did anybody? Here what we will do? 0 coming here. That theorem you are applying. So 0 coming means we can't, theorem fail. Theorem we have to use as a contradiction. If not equal to 0 means divergent we can tell, but 0 coming now. So that theorem we can't apply here. So next you go this test, comparison test you go. Sine expression is what? Sin x formula? X minus x cube by factorial 3 plus dot dot dot, like then we'll go. 1 by n take common. 1 minus 1 by n square factorial 3 plus dot dot dot. So comparison test, whatever common portion is 1 have. So divergent. P test. P is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 1, divergent. Greater than 1, convergent. What about third? Summation cos 1 by n. That method applying contradiction, correct. Contradiction will come. You will apply limit n tends to infinity cos 1 by n. cos 0 will come. Cos 0 is 1, not equal to 0. So series is divergent. Okay. Right, I have no place. Right, everybody. Finished, everybody? Writing. Okay. Write soon. Whatever common portion will come now, that is Bn. Whatever will come outside, common you can take. This will be the Bn. Here Cauchy condensation test can apply. This is the f of n function. Then we have to do greater than 1, any positive real number, a power n, f of a power n. Okay. Here question generalized I gave p, but in your exam hall, maybe p plus 1 will give, 2 will give, 3 will give, like that. Any greater than 0 they will give. So finish solution. If p is equal to greater than 1, given have convergent, less than equal to 1 they will give divergent. And more time repetition came, n log n square, like that question, direct repetition this is. So we know this is convergent if p is greater than 1 and p less than equal to 1 divergent. So given series this is convergent if p greater than 1, if p less than equal to 1 divergent. Same time you have to apply for second question. This question try Cauchy condensation test. And calculating. Just n plus f of n is this f of x. Just suppose f of x function x plus a power n and a power n multiplication. You should know everybody. Same, this also summation f of n function. So here 2 times have to apply Cauchy condensation test. Suppose now this is again new series, again summation f of n, or you can continue direct also. Suppose this is summation, no, another one summation I put. Again this is new series, summation f of n. Then again a power n of f of m, a power n. So either no need to do, suppose that you can continue with same a power n. Just you replace and can go. You can save your time. So a power n into again n place we will replace a power n. This log a summation I will use hereafter. So log a outside 2 and summation n log a plus log of a power b. So hereafter direct n common we can choose. So you can go with comparison test, otherwise direct you can go with bn common portion I told already. So again comparison test you will go by calculating this, that much no need for exam purpose. This is our bn. So summation 1 by n power p equal to 1. So this is divergent. So this full divergent. So given series is divergent.
Sir, but we take n common means we'll take n power p, right? N is inside.
Oh, correct. P also have no here power.
Uh,
Then okay. Then we can go with P itself. I forget that P. Then whatever P they will give, you can take a decision. I thought P not have. So this is convergent. If P is greater than 1 given have, P less than 1 equal to 1 means divergent. So like that summation given series is convergent if P greater than 1, divergent if P less than equal to 1. So given function is summation is convergent if P greater than 1 and if P less than equal to 1, divergent. Correct. Okay. Yeah, must they will give. I gave generalized here. P plus a square, whole cube, anything they will give. Power 1 also they will give. But greater than 0 they will give. Negative means that will go in denominator. No? Sorry, numerator. Then that is different series and different concept. Next 2 question I will do, or again you will try. I will do. Finished. Then do. Just a previous question I did, no, that question more repetition came on exam hall. Square, whole cube, one. Here, it's, yeah, you can compare like that. Greater than, less than, you can use that only comparison also. But more number of student, I am seeing always confusing, that is how to compare greater than, less than, and all. So if you are comfortable here, you can do. Finished, everybody? Next, you try D'Alembert ratio test, apply. Ratio test. Last Cauchy root test, apply. Next, section AN. This I am doing. D'Alembert ratio test. only x coming, and here given have x greater than equal to 0. Then you have to define x greater than equal to 0 given have. So this is L value. So maybe they will give any x value also. 2 power n, 3 power n, 4 power n, anything. So here we will define if x is less than 1, greater than equal to 0 already given have. So 0 less than equal to x less than 1, then given series is convergent. If x is greater than 1, then series is divergent. Finish. So which type of real number convergent divergent you can do like this. Very bad. Any question, any student not doing, everything I am doing. BSc MSc completed or not? This question, root test apply power and have. Power n 1 by n means c power minus 2 will come here and n cancel. Here n power 2 by n will come, and here sin n power 2 by n will come. So this e power here take square. This is value, this limit value have to find. How to find? This yesterday did, you know, n power 1 by n. Like that only. Cauchy's second theorem, by that you find, or logarithmic 11, 12 class type. This sin n have no. Sin x value is always finite value between minus 1 to 1. So this is the finite value. N tends to infinity, direct apply, power infinity 0. 1 will come this. This value is 1. Limit n tends to infinity, sin n is always finite value. Finite value power, limit n tends to infinity, this is 0. This power 0 is 1. What I will write here? This is 1 only. This value tell me. Yesterday what came? N power 1 by n? 1 came. This also 1 only will come. Then e power is square, 1 by square. This is less than 1. Cauchy root test, convergent. This series is convergent. Fatapat give answer. Finished. This question you did before. Next we will see alternating series. What happened? Any problem here? Discussing. Everybody understood? Like that question, collect and practice. In your question bank itself, more number of question have either any type of questions, GATE, NET, JAM, everywhere you will get like that question. Except this, you want more number of question, you go your master degree book, enough. Or just practice formula, method, how to solve. And unnecessary test first, don't read. Unnecessary, don't read. Whatever giving, that is enough. Abel's test, Dirichlet test, no need that and all. Finish this side also. Any alternating series means alternate sign only, no anything. So alternating series convergency, if we are going to verify, just you verify Leibniz test. If satisfying means convergent, not satisfying means divergent, you can go. And alternating series, Leibniz test is first that sequence is an is a monotonic decreasing sequence and convergent converges to 0. This only Leibniz test. We will see hereafter convergent alternating series. Can solve this and all? Finished. You see here an is 1 by n, correct? So Leibniz test will satisfy only an is 1 by n here. So this is direct monotonic decreasing sequence, direct you can tell. Because 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 decreasing only. If can't find, then you can go by an plus 1 minus an solve. So this is monotonic decreasing and this is convergent sequence converges to 0. So first class Leibniz test satisfying only. So anyhow this series is convergent. But you want which type of convergent? Absolutely or conditionally? Absolutely means we want positive term series must be convergent. Conditionally means positive term series divergent. So here positive term series is summation 1 by n and this is divergent. So given series is conditionally convergent. Like that, find everything. Find soon, 5 minutes. Alternating series, very rare question will come because this is very easy.
Second one is divergent.
Finished, complete or what? Oh, I will do only. Finished. Here also an is 1 by n log n. This and all direct monotonic decreasing you can tell because denominator will increase by natural number. And convergent also converges to 0. Closer to 0 will go. Direct can tell. After that, positive term series, converge or diverge. Just now before some time I gave n log n power p equal to what is here 1 have. You can go by Cauchy condensation test. So divergent. So given series is conditionally convergent. Next here also an is 1 by root n. Monotonic decreasing. Convergent and converges to 0. Positive term series p equal to 1 by 2 less than 1. Convergent. Method I gave correct, no, that is p greater than 1 convergent, correct only. So this is divergent. P greater than 1 convergent less than equal to 1 divergent, correct, confirm. So this is divergent means given series is conditionally convergent. Everything conditionally coming. This is also monotonic decreasing, convergent tends to 0. Summation 1 by log n plus 1. This is what how to find. What is the log 1 plus x formula? X minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 will go, correct? And common you will take. So inside will come one series. Common portion power p is 1, p equal to 1, so divergent. Again conditionally only coming. Okay, like that you have to solve. One question they are asking option from Weierstrass MN test. Weierstrass MN test, if any infinite series given have either positive, negative, alternating, anything. So that infinite series is convergent when summation Mn is convergent. But what is this Mn? Mn you have to find whatever an given have modulus you do, then you will get new sequence Mn less than equal to like that. And after that this Mn whatever you will get that is convergent means given series is convergent. But this is not if and only if. Fail means another method have to apply. If and only if any concept fail going means you can go no, not satisfied, no, no problem. But not if and only if fail means another method. And for this method, very common question always coming, sin n, they will give sin n by n square, sin n by n cube cos n. Very common question this and all. Sometime x multiplication they will do and they will tell for which values of x. But if method fail going, then go next method. Any x they can give. Here x 0 to 1 I am giving, anything they can give. So how to solve? Suppose this I'm solving, this is an. So sin nx by n square modulus you do. For any natural number and for all x belongs to real number, sin value is always less than equal to 1 only. For all x belongs to real number. And hereafter, an modulus mn. Mn is this. This is the mn. And this is convergent. So if this is convergent coming, then given series you can tell convergent. If fail going, means no, another method. Same cosine. Cosine also same type only. Very common example this is, and always coming only. That much tough won't come. This also 1 by n cube, this is mn, and summation 1 by n cube is convergent. So given series is convergent. Next have root x by n cube. X also they are giving between 0 to 1. So when between 0 to 1 giving is direct you write 1 by n cube. And this is convergent. So this is convergent. This is the mn. So summation 1 by n cube here also convergent. So our given series is convergent. Finish. But very rare question coming from here and from here because that much not tough. Before whatever test we saw that and a little tough. Big calculating will happen, but not here. So like that more question you have to practice too much, and more tests are there, that much we no need. Every test no need to read enough. I told already D'Alembert rabies test, Bertan test, KUMAR test, Abel's test, Dirichlet test also no need to read. Abel's test, Dirichlet test is subjective time more asking. Prove by Abel, because Abel's test, Dirichlet test not for verification. That is for by that test convergent must have to prove. This annual verification L less than 1 coming is convergent, greater than 1 divergent. But Abel's test, Dirichlet test, they are telling this type will follow, this must convergent. That is for convergency. And that type question not coming nowadays. When subjective exam is there, that time prove this is convergent by Abel's test, Dirichlet test. So no need for us. One question I am giving, that tell me answer. And you take more number of question and practice from every places. Find answer for this. Exam hall. This is CSR question. Like that question coming. Find sum of infinite series. No any method. Just yourself have to think and have to change in any formula, and addition have to find. What answer? 0. Wait.
The screen is auto zooming, sir. Full board is not visible. Sir?
Anything telling?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. The board is not fully visible, sir. It is auto zooming will be happen, I think.
What? Okay, 1 minute. Now, okay.
Now okay, sir.
So this is cancel going. This is e power correct only. This is e power -1 value. So you can write next 1 minus 2 e power -1. 2e told. 2 by e will come. 1 minus 2 by e. 2e or 2 by e. This is the answer. So like that nowadays question asking you have to arrange and have to change in formula, any formula. Sometime log formula, exponential formula. I will find this other method also by function, any function. You write first. What happened? Any problem, confusion? Hey, don't close. Don't close telling also close. Finished everybody? See, by another method also we can solve by function. I told our integration means sum only. Then any series, how to change in integral. This and this C, what is the difference? X is equal to 1. Same series we will get. So this meaning our integration limit will be 0 to 1. Upper limit to lower limit. Lower limit 0 must you will keep, then everything 0 0 will happen, and 1 you will put with same series will come. So we have to solve 0 to 1. So this is direct I will do, or here also limit you can put. Integration with limit. Then here 0 to, okay, there I am doing. Otherwise again I will write one time. So finally, this I am writing this side. Equal to, so this integration value, whatever will happen, that is the sum of infinite series. Okay. What is the integral value? This normal integration can do and limit can put. Or I let you use. One minus 2 by this only answer. No? So sum of infinite series is equal to integration of given function. So every sum of infinite series, every infinite series is the integration of any function, and depend on whatever series one, depend on limit. Sometimes 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 1 to minus 1, whatever limit. Okay, depend on whatever integration series. So integration and series both are same only. And this reason only I gave that time. Integration value always finite will come or infinite will come. So always convergent or divergent. So series is always convergent or divergent. Never will be a oscillating. Okay, right. Finish this chapter. We'll go next. You can practice like that more number of questions. You have to practice only, no other way.